fighting him. Stop fighting
Stop.
him.
Stop.
Hey, stop fighting
My job is here. I don't care. Go up. Go up.
The police at New Smyrna Beach approached and proceeded to arrest Maggie. The initial reason is unclear, possibly related to alcohol or disorderly behavior. Maggie strongly resisted, repeatedly saying, "No, officer, stop. Are you serious? Can I just get my ID?" When the officer held onto her handbag, Maggie tried to pull it back, prompting the officer to warn her, "Don't resist."
Yes, to wear her license. Yes, to wear it for your permit.
Sure I can. Come on. Here, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Can I just get my ID?
Come on. I'm not.
Excuse me.
Don't resist. Don't resist. For real. For real. Here, let go. Let go. Let go.
Can I just get my ID?
Serious? You can't give the girl a few minutes to get her ID, dude? No, he's not having it. Don't grab the purse.
Yeah, I'm grabbing the purse because it was in her possession at the time that I
No, if it was, then why don't you let her give it a purse?
Step off. Step off. Step off.
Nothing better to do.
Nope.
Why?
Step off.
Don't push her.
Step off.
Wait, but where's the...
Come on, let's go.
Can you...
Come on.
Do not.
Excuse me. You're under arrest now, too.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. No, you're done too.
Right
Let's
now?
go.
What the fuck? What are you doing right now, sir? Please stop. I swear to God, please stop. Can you let me show you my ID? Please stop.
I'm telling you right now. You are under arrest also.
Stop. Stop. Please stop. I swear to God. Please stop. I promise you I'm not doing the wrong.
Climb up.
I'm right here, girls. I'm right here with you.
Climb up.
I promise you I'm not doing anything.
Stop. Why you gotta be like this?
Do not.
Stop.
Stop fighting him. Stop fighting
Stop.
him.
You're acting
Hey,
weird.
stop
Go.
My job is here.
I don't care. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up.
Officer, right now. Female officer, right now.
Okay.
Right now.
Sure.
Right now.
All the way over.
Right now.
Yep.
Right now.
You've been doing too much, dude.
Right now, dude. What is wrong
Go.
with you?
Step up.
It's okay.
Step up.
Ladies, I'm with you. Ladies, I stand with you.
Step up.
Go up. Maggie, go up. Maggie, just go. Maggie, go.
Come on, man.
Maggie, go.
Don't touch her. Don't
We
fucking
want a
touch
female
her.
officer right now.
Don't fucking touch her.
A female officer right now. Just stay up
Go
there. Stay
up.
up there. Stay up there.
Go
Just
up.
stay. Baby girl, just stay.
Go up.
Female officer right
Go
now.
up.
Right now. Don't touch
Go
her.
up.
No, female officer.
All the way over. All the way over. All the way over.
Call your captain, bro.
I'm a woman. I'm a woman.
All the way back to the boat.
Be on the boat.
Bro.
All the way to the back of the boat.
You guys just on tape, right?
I don't even know what happened.
Right now, dude.
Sit.
No, call him.
We want a
away.
female officer.
Okay? Why? Why?
We want a female.
Go sit back
We want
down.
a female
Go sit back
officer.
down.
We
Call
want
the
a
captain right now, bro.
We want a female officer here now.
Sit down.
Female officer right now.
This is a gift. This is a gift. Don't listen. Don't follow instructions. We don't do what we're supposed to do. And lo and behold, here we are arrested again.
I understand what you're saying, but the videos, I never said anybody under the age of 21 years old a drink.
Actually, you did.
No,
That's
I did
okay.
not.
I'm going to take this off your head real quick.
I'm not getting involved. Right now, I just need you to sit on the floor. That way we can get back safely.
534. We have two parking problems, Stewart Beach. 534, that was parking problem, Stewart Beach.
Put your hat back on for you.
Okay, good. Thank you.
No. It's the only way it's going to make it back with you.
Well, I'll hold it. Thank you.
It's okay, just throw it over. Just throw it out. It's fine. It doesn't matter.
Is it gonna stay on my head? No.
Yeah. I'm not going to go very fast.
Okay.
15 5.
Okay, all the way down like your mom, please.
It's not my mom.
Okay, all the way down, please.
Like your mom. I'm that old. I look that old.
You're the one who told me that you were her mom.
No, I'm not her mom. That's my children are out there.
Okay.
My 6-year-old's out there.
I'll get a car. Alright.
My mom?
They're mad. They're mad. Okay.
Well, yeah, they're gonna. Yeah, I wouldn't go over there.
What are you supervisor?
Yeah, I wouldn't go over there.
They're not gonna argue with him.
No.
I just wanted to know what happened. I'm just being stupid.
Can you do it on your own?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna take the cuffs off you, so I can take this off of you, and then I'm gonna put them right back on.
What's happening? Corporals? Good for the jacket to come off?
Yes, that's what I'm taking. You gotta take the cuff off first. Pop the jacket.
Alright, we're gonna transfer you onto...
Please, take your cup off now.
Ladies, these two gentlemen are here to transport you only. They have no vested interest in this case. It's me who does, alright? Don't give them a hard time.
Lay that one on.
Thank you. I can't get into it. Yeah, I can't do this showing. So embarrassing. So much to fucking do.
I'm just here. We're gonna go down to these cars.
How come they're not getting arrested? Because that's what I'm facing. I did.
I don't know what happened again. We're gonna come on this
I'm
one.
so sorry. Literally, like in the middle of adopting a child.
Listen.
I have no idea. I'm a fucking trauma ICU nurse. Like, you have no idea. He's so mean. Like, what is he doing right now?
Okay, I'll help you. I'll turn the AC up for you guys.
The incident involving the two women at New Smyrna Beach shows that even a moment of anger or resistance can make the situation much more serious. Regardless of the initial reason, staying calm, cooperating with the police, and following instructions are always the best ways to protect yourself and avoid unnecessary legal trouble. Remember that any act of interference, arguing, or resisting at the wrong time can lead to an arrest or escalate the situation even further. What do you think about this incident? Do you believe the officers followed proper procedure? Could the two women have handled the situation in a better way? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life incident breakdowns.